Hello dear students, today we shall discuss how memories are formed. Open your books at page 45, exercise 1. Look at the picture and read the title of the text. What do you know about the hippocampus? How is it connected to memory formation? Let's listen to the model.
The hippocampus is a curved part located towards the base of the brain. It is responsible for creating memories and helping to consolidate memories from our short-term memory into our long-term memory.
Now let's listen to the new vocabulary words. Write down them in your vocabulary.
Consolidate. Encode. Memory retention. Neocortex. Prefrontal cortex. Synapse.
Let's read the text and watch the video.
How memories are formed. In the 1950s, researchers discovered that when it comes to memories, an area of the brain called the hippocampus creates the memories. The hippocampus encodes facts, episodes, and emotions. Then, another area of the brain called the prefrontal cortex is the memory center and stores these memories in the short-term memory and then moves the more meaningful memories to the long-term memory. The popular theory was that all memories start in short-term memory and then over time they are consolidated into a lifetime version. However, researchers at MIT have recently discovered something even more amazing. Their research has proved that the brain actually makes two memories of events at the same time. One is for the short-term memory and the second is for the long-term memory. Therefore, two parts of the brain are involved in collecting and storing personal experiences. Short-term memory can hold about 6 or 7 items for about 30 seconds. Long-term memories tend to be abstract, more like concepts. Once a long-term memory is formed, the more the pathway or synapse is activated, then the stronger the memory becomes. Memories are not stored individually though. They are different pieces of information linked together and they are reconstructed using different parts of the brain. Sleep is very important for memory retention. When we are asleep, the hippocampus and the neocortex conduct a kind of dialogue during which the hippocampus replays recent events. The neurons that were active during an experience are reactivated during sleep, and this helps the neocortex sort out what needs to be stored. So if you are not getting enough sleep, you will start to notice that your memory becomes weaker because what you are doing is you are preventing your brain from consolidating memories.
In exercise 2, you are to fill in the following words. Let's check, listen and repeat.
Prefrontal cortex. Short-term memory. Long-term memory. Memory retention. Encode facts. Synapses are activated. Consolidate memory.
In exercise 3, you are to tell 3 things that you have learned from the text. Listen to the opinion.
I learned that the brain makes two memories of events at the same time. I also learned that short-term memory can hold about 6 or 7 items for 30 seconds. I didn't know that the neurons that were active during our experiences reactivate while we are asleep.
And your task is exercise 4. You are to collect more information about how human memory works. You are to prepare a short presentation. Look at the model and listen to it.
Making memories. When the brain creates vivid memories, it collects information from our sensory organs. Smells, sights, tastes, sounds and sensations are recorded together in the hippocampus. This process is called encoding and takes a fraction of a second. The stronger the feelings and sensations, the stronger the memory. This is especially true of emotional memories. When we remember occasions when we felt strong emotions, we draw on 2 types of memory: implicit and explicit. Implicit memory involves memories of objects and how to use them, often involving muscle memory. It is stored by the parts of the brain called the striatum and basal ganglia, which are separate from the hippocampus. Explicit memory involves all memories that are consciously available. Emotional memories can produce a powerful unconscious physiological reaction. Are there any questions? Thank you for listening.